A number when divided by 145 leaves a remainder of 58. What is the remainder if it is divided by 29? Now, from the first sentence, we can say that the number n is 145q plus 58 because the remainder is 58 and we are dividing the number by 145. Now, if this number n is divided by 29, we want to find out the remainders. So let's divide each term separately by 29. So 145q divided by 29. The remainder from this term will be 0 because 29 fives are 145. So therefore, this 5q will be a multiple of 29. Hence, the remainder will be 0. The next term is 58. So if you divide this by 29, you will again get remainder of 0 because 29 twos are 58. So basically we are getting remainders 0 from both these terms. So therefore in total we have the remainder as 0 itself.